sister.
Oh, where's your sister? Where's Ellie? Ellie. Ellie, where are you?
Where's you? Where's Sarah? Where's there? Sleeping.
Sister was sleeping. She was sleeping. Is Lulu sleeping? An owl.
The party?
The owl went potty? In the sky.
It's a tiny girl's the wall. This is why. This is the wall. The wall. This is a place.
Where's Ellie?
It's a man.
Where's Ellie?
This was the door.
Is Ellie sleeping? Where's Woody?
I can't.
Say, Woody, where are you?
Someone sleeping.
Who's sleeping? Lolo, can you whisper?
This is the owl. The owl.
It's an owl.
This is a bye-bye.
The owl said bye-bye?
This is bye-bye.
He said bye-bye?
The friend is bye-bye.
He said bye-bye. Oh, excuse you.
The owl.
The owl? Can you say night-night?
This is the owl.
Yeah. Night-night, Lulu.
This is pen. Some pens.
Whoa! That's your belly.
Wait. Apple. I'm the box.
What about space? What about space? Space?